Qualcomm officially announced its latest generation of flagship mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Soon after the unveiling, various smartphone brands announced that their premium phones would feature this top-notch chipset. One of these brands includes OnePlus, with their OnePlus 12 confirmed to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform. OnePlus 12 confirmed to feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In a teaser image poster, the Chinese smartphone maker showcased the new Qualcomm chip that will be equipped on its upcoming flagship handset. For those unaware, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is built on a 4nm process node and features improvements in power efficiency and performance. The chip-making giant claims that it arrives with a 30% increase in processing power whilst offering a 25% improvement in power consumption. Furthermore, the NPU neural processing unit has seen a massive 98% bump in performance as well. The new GPU is 25% faster and supports ray tracing tech, which is 40% better than its previous generation. In other words, the OnePlus 12 will come with enhancements across the board. This model is also one of the first smartphones to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform. OnePlus also shared other teasers of the OnePlus 12 that showcased its display. The device will feature an Oriental display, which has also been recognized by DisplayMate as one of the best 2K screens. It has received an A+ rating thanks to its HDR support, LTPO technology, and improved color accuracy. The panel is a tall 6.82-inch OLED display that offers up to 120 Hz refresh rate and 2600 nits of peak brightness.